So it go like this. Yeah, yeah. Baby, baby girl, I could just take you to Bahamas and stay in Jamaica where we could take them out to pajamas.
Hold them.
Yeah, you know, damn girl, there's nothing in this world I would do for you. Yeah, yeah. Maybe, baby girl, I could just take you to Bahamas or stay here in Jamaica where we can sit and watch some drama. Or maybe take you to my place down there in Ghana. Take you to some islands if you wanna. Or maybe I could take you home and let you meet my mama. Let you meet some of my turkeys on the corner. I'll take you out to buy your mix to keep you warmer. Buy your jewelries at Jewelorama. So girl, tell me what you wanna, tell me what you really wanna. Do you wanna go to Reggae just to be the snake charm?